Right, so 3D Maze. So the last week we we did a few crazy things. Like we did a data structure called a queue. Where is it? Lib queue. So we did a data structure, which is a queue, which allows you to put onto a line, and then you take. So first in, first out scenario. So you put one in, put another one in. When you pop one out, you take the first one out. Then the first one jumps to the front. Have I a link for that? Hang on. I think it's on. I think it's on Bombjack, isn't it? I think it's on Bombjack. Oop, wrong one. This one. Books. Right. Let's. It is. It is. It's not that one. I've got that book as well. I've got quite a few of these books. C64 Mark will be shouting saying, I've got them all. Got that one, 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 got that one. Right, so I know it's definitely here. Because I've seen it. There we go, it's there. It's there. So there's that. That's the direct link to the zip file. Alright? And, oh, Stuart's put a link directly to the archive.org. There you go. So if you want to... Alright? So there's... And you can read it online if you want, if you don't want to download the zip file. Thank you, Stuart. But this one, Bombjack, he's got a lot of books on here. I mean, this is a very rare book. This is very rare, and I've got it. Oh, in there. I've got quite a few of these. Quite a few. Got that one. All right, but you know. It is, even has your homepage for the late 90s. Yeah, it's got mine in there. Went back from the free serve days. God, that's back in the 1990s for me. There's a lot of books there, mate. You can find some diamonds in there. There's some, but like I say, Bomberjack, he gets books all the time, especially from F. Winston. He's been buying books and sending them over there to be scanned, which is brilliant because. Oh my God, mate! Oh, dude, you spent a fortune on me on Wednesday. Now you don't. Oh, look at there, big earner. 10,000 bits. Oh my God. Yes, yeah, it's got the yes, Aquafin. It's got the old Microsoft site, which was dire. Congratulations, Docster, for 10,000 bits. That's an awful lot of bits, mate. An awful lot. You are so kind. You are so kind. Right, so in the last stream we implemented a queue, and the reason we did that is because we wanted the tail where we've been to expire at a certain point, yeah? So we implemented a queue which stored the XY location of every place that we'd been, and as we added, we took one off, yeah? So it expired, and we also implemented a help system, which which is pretty brutal, because Stuart likes to make games hard. Yes, you're not the only one, mate. You know, my parents were not the richest people. You know, my dad was a miner.
Hi, John here.
Oh my God.
Stay a while. Stay forever.
Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
You are so generous, mate. You are so generous.
John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
I think we got 2 more, haven't we? Any more?
Johnny.
Yeah, here we go.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
And then there's Zenderick, I think. Is there?
Hi, John here.
Here he goes.
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Thank you, Docster, for the subs, gifted subs. You are very, very generous, mate. A very generous man. Right, so I'm gonna have to make that a bit more scary, I think. Right, so we implemented the timer system, yeah, and then the help screen we've implemented. So if you get lost, right, so if we go, right, let me remember where we're going. There we go. Oh dear, I'm lost. You know, you could press help, but then the timer speeds up by 10-fold. So, you know, you can only see this for 1 second. It's gained 10 seconds. There we are. We're at 58 seconds. So, let's turn around and go back. Turn down. Oh, I've gone down a dead end again. 1. There. Now you should see the trail start expiring. Because I think we set it to, was it 20 or 30? Let's try, not that way, that way. Yeah. Well, this is a question that I was asked, whether we're going to have the bad guys... Whoa, gone too far. The bad guys moving while you're in map mode. Which is an interesting thing, I think. There are the trail. Can you see the trails now here? The trail is now disappearing. So if we go that way and move 1, look, it's disappearing on us. So when you go back into H, you don't know where you've been after the... So we implemented that in the last stream, which was a great idea. We had some great ideas in the last stream. Yeah, like a snake. I don't assume people are going to do things for this game, yeah? Sound effects, I was going to leave right till the very end because I don't know how to do it. But yes, it's like a snake. Like, oh yeah, enemies like snakes. Yes, we could do that, yeah. So what I wanted to do is, at the moment we've got some assembly directives that are deciding what mode we're in, right? So this is hard, yeah? If we go into easy, right? This is easy mode, which is basically on the screen. Oh, we're doing characters, aren't we? Where it's like this all the time. And I'm not too sure if we have the terminating snake. We'll find out in a minute. Oh, I've gone down a dead end. That was me being too confident. So it's down here. And it doesn't look like we've got the snake on this one. It should be scary, yes, it should be. And then we've got medium mode, which is a step up from easy, which is where the map becomes invisible and we've only got our short-sightedness to help us navigate the map. Yeah. But the snake stays, yeah, the snake stays. So if I double back on myself, because I've gone down a dead end, we'll go up there. And we'll come down here. Yeah, the snake stays. Maybe we should make the snake disappear on here as well. Oh, that would be interesting, wouldn't it? Making the snake disappear on here as well. Right, I'm just going with the flow here. I bet I get into a dead end. Oh, so close, so close. Is it? Is it? Is it? Yeah! Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, that's an interesting concept. So you want the yellow to fade out as we go along. Could we fade it down a little? The longer away from the middle, the darker the shade. You mean of the path that we've taken, Docster? Oh, in the white area. Oh, that would be really cruel, wouldn't it? That would be really cruel, making the white area get smaller and smaller. That would be cruel. Well, I mean, let's... Yeah, the white area is a sort of light source, yeah. Let's see. I mean, I'm sure we could fade out yellow, because I'm sure it would go yellow, orange, brown, black, wouldn't it? Yellow, orange, brown, and then black. Alright, see you later, Mikroman. I mean, if we want the path to fade, or I mean the light. I mean, if we go from the problem is going down the colours. Will that affect what we've got? Let's have a look. Because we use black, yeah? So let's get this so we see the full extent of the white. Oh, I've gone down a dead end straight away. There we go. Right, so that's the full extent of the white. So, I mean, We could make the the white area get smaller, I suppose. Or you said fading it out. Well, that means we'd have to go to different colours as we progress through the maze. But then what's the trigger for going through the different colours? So it would go white, light grey, dark grey. Oh, did I close it down? Oh, poo. Was that a fading diagram? Yeah, I suppose. One, two, three, four, five. There's not that many greys in the C64 palette, is there? All right. Okay. It's the colour switching, isn't it? So we got 3 greys, yeah? Oh, right. This is how to fade out colours on a Commodore 64. Oh, okay. Right, that's been bookmarked. Done. So white would go to 15, then 15 to 12, then 12 to 11. Okay. 11 to 0. Yeah. So if we start at yellow, which is there, green to there to there. Oh, okay. No, it's intuitive, right? We're starting at white. So if we want to fade the whites out, fade the white. So we go from white, then to the colour 15, grey, which is light grey. And then we transition to 12, which is medium grey or grey. Then we transition to 11, which is dark grey. And then transition to black. So that would be the white, grey. So we have 4 transitions, 5 colours. Yeah? You get the effect like this. Oh, you mean like something like that? Oh, okay. Okay, I get you. I get you now. Yeah, we should be able to do that. We should be able to do that. Let's see if we can find where that is. We can. Well, that's what I'm saying. We haven't transitioned it on the hard mode. It just stops because we only see a small part of the maze anyway. So it's a waste of time doing the fade out. But definitely on the easy. Well, easy we'll leave it there. But definitely on the medium, we can have the snake fading out. We just implement the same queuing strategy that we've got in the hard mode. So, yeah. Right, let's find. You alright, buddy? You alright? Why aren't you downstairs with Mummy? Hey? What's the matter? There's a lot of people worried about you. Alright? Alright. I'm talking to my friends who are looking at. Alright? Alright? Okay, we'll carry on. So yeah, we could transition the snake. So let's find where we do the white. So I can't remember where we do the white. So where do we do the white? Here, highlight player position. So this is it here. Okay. She's watching a film. And he got the boom 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 on. It's alright. Some Christmas film, I think. Just shows you how good the mic is, doesn't it? And to be honest, let's do this. I don't know if you can see him. Can you see him? He's just at the top of the stairs. Don't know if you can see him. Yeah. Right, so this is the place where we're doing the white. So, yeah, we should be able to do that. He's keeping an eye on me, yeah. Yeah, mate. He's keeping an eye on me. I think he's waiting for Mummy to come back upstairs and play Minecraft, but she's having a film night. Right, so this is the starting position, and we update colour around position window colour, which is here. So in here we could put those, because it looks like we are 3. It looks like we are 3. So you can see it. There you go. Smooth that out of the way a bit. Oh, I can't move it there because I can't see you. Right. So, first things first. Let's set up the right, so dot byte, and it's white, comma, light grey. Or is it grey like that? Oh, it can't be light grey. Grey, dark grey. Oh, there we go. And then black. So there are colour transitions. So let's see how we're doing this. See how we're doing this. Really? With what was going on Saturday with Nico, yeah, I wasn't. I didn't go on. I mean, I'm glad he's up here, so I can hear him. But like I say, if anything happens, I'm stopping the stream. Right, so let's see if we can implement this fade in. Right, let's see if we can implement this fade in. So, load the position, subtract the size, store it in StartX. Yeah, well, I've thought of doing some Minecraft streams, but I don't think you guys would be interested. Hey up, mate. Everybody's worried about you, but you just... Yeah? Why don't you go and see Mummy? Hey? You're not feeling too good, are you? You're not feeling too good. Come here. Come here. You're not feeling too good, are you? Hey? Hey, say hello to everyone. Hmm? You're not feeling too good, are you? Hey? Nah. Hey? Hmm? Alright, Em. You alright? Yeah? Hmm? Well, if you stay up here, you can't get in the way. Hmm? Alright. Come on then. No, don't jump. Don't jump. There you go. No, he's alright. He's alright. He's alright, aren't you? So, did I finish the Voyager? No, I haven't finished Voyager. It's how can I say? It's half done. I mean, I can, at the end of the stream, we can log into the server and you can have a look. I'll fly around for you, but I didn't think you'd be interested in Minecrafting. Oh, I'm sorry, Docster. No, it's alright, Stuart. We're alright. It's I think it's the new level of meds is just screwing with his only 7 of 9, isn't it? As what my friend said, 14 of 12, which I thought was funny. But no, it's half done. I mean, I did post a video in Discord. But yeah, I'll log into the server. And at the end, and you can have. I'll fly around and you can have a look. Because I'm at the ship at the moment, so it's very large. It's in terms of Minecraft blocks, it's what 390 blocks long by 282 blocks wide, I think it is. So it's a bit of a monster, and it's taken me a bit of time to do it. But I've got it. Right, so let's see if we can do this fading thing. It's just working it out, because we'd have to test for which... Because we don't highlight in circles. We highlight in a box, so we fill it in. Maybe we should do it in a box. And there's two ways of doing this. We can run through the routine 3 times and reduce the size each time we do the routine and do a different colour. Or we can try and run it just the once but do a lot of mathematics and work it out. Now I'm thinking I don't want to do that. Yeah. We're definitely doing a box. So So we need to change this because the size is the thing. So what we might do is we'll create another. Right, where's our game storage? See how much space we've got. Oh, where's the game? Oh, there, game storage. So we've got up to temp 7. Are we using temp 7? No, we're not. Right, we can use temp 7. So, dot label diameter, no, radius square radius equals temp 7. So what we'll do is we'll do that SBC that, and we'll do that SBC that, oh yes, okay, ADC that. But that's not going to add 1, is it? Right, if they're the only 4 places, then that's easily done, because what we can do is here, we can do ink that, which will add 1, which will do the add 1. So when we come to run this, we'll store A there. So we're going to load A into it because we're not going to be doing it. So let's find where we're calling this, which is here. So LDA #3, run it. Any more places? Yes, there. Any more? No, they're the places. Right, so if we run this, we should be still working. Right. Yes, we are. Right, so let's implement the grading. So this is where we're going. This is where we're going to implement the grading in a very inefficient way. In a very inefficient way. So we're starting with white with 3. So JSR, and we'll do that. So LDA 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should do it backwards. Yes, John, do it backwards. So this one, so forget black, it's dark grey, grey, light grey, and white. So 0, 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is what we want to do. But do I need to do that now? Because I'm going to hard code it. We'll leave it in there, but I don't think we're going to... Because I'm not storing it, am I? Right, so 3. But then again... X. Whoops, undo. Undo. Right, 3, and so we're going to load that, comma X. Store it, transfer X into A. That's going to work. Then 2. Then 1. What's wrong with you? Oh. Three, 2, 1. Right, let's see if I've busted it. But it's doing it. It's flashing though. That's because we're not... I think it's out, isn't it? Let's put... let's put oh, not debug array. The raster on. Let's see how much time it's taking. So it low lights it. Right, let's see how it's working. Whoa! Have I got a mismatch on inks? Oh yeah. Okay, hang on. It's there. Right, so this is... Oh, it is stretching, isn't it? And trust me, I've gone the wrong way again. The quick and dirty code is actually taking... I mean, it does it when it's outside. It's outside here. It's doing it all right. But why is it taking so long? Because when it gets back up to here, it starts flashing because the rasters... There we go, there. Why is it taking so long? That's the timer. So let's see. So that's the low light. Player control. We don't do that. Right, so how many have we added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 4 of these. Right. Yeah, we're going the wrong way for a kickoff. The white should be closest to the man, yeah? So we're definitely in the wrong... What is taking so long? That is weird, that is. Yeah. So we've definitely got some colour bands. So let's work this out. So the first one will be white, then red. So this is the low light of the player position, which is this. Which is strange. Okay, so next from red, so white, red, cyan. I don't remember seeing any cyan. Then here is violet or purple. And this one is green. And then that's it. Right, so at least now we know. I think red is low light, taking the colour away from... taking the colour away from the character, but I've just got an idea where we can think we might be able to do that. Right, so this is the red, which is taking the colour away, and then the purple is adding it back, isn't it? Red, purple, highlighting, right. So we've definitely got two routines that are taking a lot of time up. I've also got the colours the wrong way around. That purple is taking an awful long time, isn't it? But we've got the colours the wrong way around for a kick-off. So, let's put the transition colours back in the right order. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Not white. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Oh, it's a dead end. All that way. Hang on. Let me get it all on the screen. There we go. Let's find a place that we... Oh. Where is the way out? Oh, it's that way, isn't it? Here we go. Let's get it somewhere we can't... There we go. That. How about that? Yeah? So we've just got to stop it flashing. Now, I've got an idea. I've got an idea about that. Because I'm just wondering if we get rid of the low light, yeah, and in the highlight here we add another level to it, so that's 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is black. That should blank out anything that we see. So let's try that. So we shouldn't see any purple, but we should still see the red section. There you go. So it's all down here now. Oh, it's still doing it, but why is the purple section going down there? It's going down that far. Why? Why? It shouldn't be going down that far. So we took the... And now the purple section is this. But it seems to follow us on the way down, doesn't it? Can you hear? Can you hear that? Right, let's see if we can figure out why it seems to follow us. But yeah, we've got the... There we go. So why is it taking so long to do that? That is ridiculously long. I mean, it takes even longer to... Ooh, that is annoying. That is annoying. Let's take that out. Right, this is doing the raster where we're not... So it's going to be lightning quick. But it's definitely... Cool, that's too fast. I can't find this. But it's moving down. It's like it's following the cursor. Oh, I wish I'd found a way. Up. No. I'm not quick enough. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's dead end anyway. Right, so I've got to find out why it's taking that much time. It's like it's following on the way down. Do I have a torture chamber in the basement? No. Oh, why is this? Why is this? Are we... Oh, okay, we're only working that out once. So it goes to inner loop here. I mean, I understand that we're doing it 3 times here. What we doing? So for each line we work out the new screen pointer, and then we do that. But that is just... Oh, that's looking at the player mask. So that's setting it to yellow. Why on earth is that taking so long? Oh dear, excuse me. Just getting bigger, the purple, isn't it? As you go down the screen. Maybe we may have to rethink this. May have to rethink. How are we gonna do this? Because I noticed the timer was being wiped out as well, wasn't it? Right, the timer's running there. And it seems to be okay there. Ah, look, the timer's changing colour. But it's following it down the screen, isn't it? When it's fully on, that's an awful lot of CPU power just to do that. So I need to rethink it. I think we definitely need to rethink that. So how are we going to do it? How are we going to do the thing? I suppose we could just do, instead of doing the whole thing, is just do the ring. Right, let's try that. So grab that. Rem it out. Right, so I've done a copy. So the maths for working it out is going to be exactly the same. But I think this needs to be set to 2. But we'll come to that. Now, doing it, what we need to do is we need to test the Y position, and if it is, we do the inner. Right, so So we're going to test the start row. If it's not equal to, then we no, I'm looking at this the wrong way around, aren't I? Because we're going to be doing that. Right. We load the X position and we store it. Set the line up. Oh, this is right. So we need to do the top line and bottom line and the extremes of the X. So, right, okay. Let's do this. So, player start Y. Branch not equal to test end Y. And then we're going to LDY player X. Oh, that's annoying. No. No. Oh, it's not going to know what player X is. Oh, rats. So we'll put it in here. Now, what's wrong with you? Because I think that's already been set up here. Which it has. So let's rem all this out. You alright, mate? Come here. You alright? You alright? You okay? Alright. Yeah, he's up here. It's just fallen over. You alright, mate? Yeah, he's just fallen over. We're fine, we're alright. Bit wobbly. Right, so this should work. Right, so here we load player X, JSR. This. INY, CPY with branch not equal to next cell. So that should do it. So here we'll call this right, so this is player position Y, player end Y. And then branch if not equal to, now we'll do branch if equal to highlight line. It's alright, he's in his bed. Right, so if that would do the top line. So this does the top line, and then we test and we do the bottom line. If it's not any of those, then we load Y. We load Y with that. Oh, no. We load that. So that start X, go along to end X, player end. So here we're loading start X. And then we are calling that. And then we're loading end X. And then we're calling that. And we are just adjusting position Y. So next align, we're just adjusting the Y. So we'll get rid of that, we'll rem that out, and we'll do that. Right, so works out the limits. Right, let's see what happens now. Ha! Boom. Right. Right, okay. Let's see what we're doing. So, F10. So it works out the limits. This is working out our pointers. Then we're doing LDY 1. Okay. That has just stored 0. Oh, that's because we are storing zeros. That's just going round and round in circles, that is. Right. Outer loop. Are we going to the outer loop? Yeah, we're going back to the outer loop, so that's fine. Work out the new position. Load this player position. Is it equal to the start? If it is, highlight the start. Alright. Let's see if it does it on the second break. And of course, I ran it wrong. Right, so ignore the first one. Does it go to the next break? No, so it's definitely going in circles. So it's definitely in an infinite loop. So it's definitely gone into an infinite loop. So let's figure this out. So outer loop, load Y. Work it out. Is player Y equal to the start Y? No. Go to the end Y, which is here. If it is, load Y with player X. Do the highlighting. We don't change Y. Oh, we do. We do. Here. Let's get rid of that. Because Y should be exactly the same. Right, let's try that again. Right, F11, does it move on to the next one? No! Okay, what are we doing? Are we changing Y? No. We're not changing Y here. So we can eliminate that. Iron Y, CPY with... Come back here, do it again. Right, let's just check that. Right, F11, right, so it's broke into there. So this is where we're setting the colour. Load 70, and it with 80. Branch if equal to 0, stores at 0. Where is that going? Oh, dope. That would help. Right, do you move to the next breakpoint? Yes, right, we're getting somewhere. Good, good, good. Right, so let's take the breakpoints out and see what damage we're doing. Okay. We're almost there. We're almost there. It's just the bottom, isn't it? It's not doing the bottom. Yeah, it's not doing the bottom. Right, why is it not doing the bottom? If it's equal, go back to there. Why is it... Are we not... Where are we testing down here? Oh, right, okay. Okay, right, so we'll do branch if click, and we'll do this, we'll leave that there, but we'll increase so we've worked out position X and start, and then we worked out position Y start. No. Work out position Y and then increase it for position Y again. Right. Let's see what we do. Yeah, it's still not... Oh, it is. But it's too far now. Oh, I can't play it like this. Hang on, let me put the delay back in. It's almost doing it, isn't it? Right, let me take... I'm going to take the... I'm going to stop it doing the yellow. So I'm going to stop it doing the yellow. And just get it to highlight the map. Right, what's going on there? The X is too far. And the Y is still not doing the Y, is it? See, this is 2 here. And we're not doing down here. We're doing this alright. Oh! Well, I definitely trashed that, didn't I? Right. Okay, let's take that out because I put that in. I shouldn't have done. See if we can get it to. Are we back to how we were? That bottom is putting me off, but. Right. Oh, trust me, go down a dead end. I just want a blank pi- Right, okay. So it's definitely doing the wipe, but it's doing one too many. Right, so yeah, but it's doing one too many on the edges on the here, but it's not doing enough here. So what I'm going to do is going to go BCC, and then if it's equal, and I think I might do that here as well. So it's doing less than or equal to instead of just less than. Right. That's nailed it. That's nailed it. Oops. And the purple section isn't getting any longer. Right. Let's put the tail back in. There you go. How about that? So now what we're doing is we're drawing a black line around the whole lot, so it blacks out, and then we're drawing the dark. So the way we're doing it is we're drawing the top line and the bottom line, yeah, and then we're doing the extremes for the rest of them. So basically we draw the black one, then the dark grey one, then the lighter grey and the light grey, and we don't have white, right, because we decided we're not having white. So now we've got the, was it Acmafin or Docster? Who said it was like a torch? Oh, Acmafin. So it looks like a torch. You're wandering around with a torch. I think that looks great. Yeah, I think that looks great. Oh, am I getting there? Oh, it's close. It's close. Yeah, look at that. Did it again. Did it again. Oh, hey, WauloK. Yes, it was your idea, Docster. Right. So, was we thinking about losing the snake tail in medium mode, that it would fade out? I think that's what someone was saying, yeah? Or are we just going to do what we've done with the hard mode and just let it disappear? I mean, we can do that. That's easily done, that is. Hang on. Where are we? It's in hard. We've got it in hard mode. Yeah. Even through the walls. Oh, mate. Oh, I'm not. I'm okay. I'm not good. I'm okay. But thank you very much for the bits. Right. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can implement the where we lose the tail. Now, we did it in 3D Maze, so I can't remember where we did it. It was in the player controls, wasn't it? Let's look in the player controls. I'm sure it was. Let's see. Where are we? Well, that's us, because we've just written this bit. Right, let me see if I can... Right, where's the lib? Where's the library? Let's find out where we're calling it. So, push. Ah, game player. Where are we doing? Oh, push. Here we go. And then read. So, it's update trail in player controls. Right, okay. So we need to do the same thing. Right, so we've got update trail for there. So we need to do this here. So player goes up, player goes right, okay. Ow. So we only do it right, update trail, and then update trail goes to player moved. So we need to take that out of there and then jump to update trail. Okay. Right, okay. So, we are going to take this out. We're going to take this out of the hard. And we're going to put another... what do I call it? Medium 2D. And we'll put that in there. So, implement the torch in the 3D maze. Oh. We'll have a look at that in a minute. I'm just trying to figure out this for... right, so that needs to go on the outside there. Because we're going to be doing this all the time. So that's coming... right, so that's coming through. And it'll do the update trail anyway. Here, this is what we need to do here. So update trail there. Update trail. That needs to go to player moved. So this one would be update trail and that's hard. Okay. Update trail. Right, let's see how that works. Ooh. Where's that error? Line 118. Oh, here. Oh, right, okay. That's meant to be a minus. Can you hear that? Oh dear. Minus. Minus. Right, I think that's them all. I told you she was watching a Christmas movie. Right, so we should have a... Oops. Oh, trust me to go the wrong way straight away. A shortening yellow line. We do seem to be having a shortening yellow line. Yeah. That's a bit screwed up, isn't it? Oh, it's updating in the maze pointer. Okay, so we need to okay. So we need to update the screen, because at the moment we're not updating the screen, we're only updating the map. So what we need to do then is we need to put another if in here. So how we're gonna do this? Oh, that is annoying. Right, so let's cheat. Let's cheat. So what I'm thinking about is we know the maze location because we've just worked it out there. Now the maze location directly corresponds to the screen. It's just the maze memory is at 1000, I think. Where's the game constants? Yeah, no, it's 2000. So we could minus 0400, which is the screen location. No, minus 2000 minus... Yeah, the difference. And that would give us our screen location. But just thinking out aloud. If we minus 20 and add 4, that would do it for us anyway. Yes, that could work. So if we load ZP underscore maze pointer CL, right, set carry, subtract what was it called? That. Subtract that. Clear ADC hash $04 gives us our memory space. Store it back into ZP memory maze pointer. That gives our screen, but I don't want to do that, do I? No. It's D8, isn't it? It's the color RAM. So minus whatever it's set to now, and then add D8 gives us our color position. Then we can do Y should be still intact because we haven't messed around with it. So LDA hash black. Store it in ZP maze pointer, comma Y. Let's see if this works, because I'm not sure. Oh, well, it assembled. Okay. Will the assembler know what to do? Right. Let's go. Let's see if we can... Oh, trust me, go down the wrong way again. Down here. Does the... Oh, come to a dead end. Does it start... Oh, come on, John. It's still not happy, is it? And now we're stuck. It's still not happy. Oh. John, what on earth are you doing? There we go. Nailed it. We've now got... Oh, come on. And I've gone to a dead end as well. I've got to go back. Let's try down here. Dead end again. Okay. It's leaving artifacts behind. But I'm not sure. It's definitely... Oh, dead end again. Oh, dead end. It's got to be back that way then. Going for the obvious. Going for the obvious. Yes. There you go. Only leaving artifacts when I double back. Yeah. Yeah. $100 seconds. Yeah. It's oops, wrong one. Is he alright? So yeah, it's just leaving a few artifacts, but might you know, if it's when we're doubling back, see if we can do it without having to double back. See if we can. Right, so we doubled back at that point. Hang on. Yeah. SP. So we've got it now that the guy, we're holding a torch and our trail leaves us, which doesn't help. Oh, dead end. Oh no. Where do I go? Where do I go? Where do I go? I don't remember there being another option. Have I got to go all the way back? So where was there another route? I've got to go all the way back, haven't I? I can't believe I've had to go all the way back. We started off wrong. Oh, I've done it again. That's going to be a dead end. It's got to be. Yeah, that's another dead end. Oh, not 100 seconds this time, mate. Right, let's carry on. If only there was a way to see the entire map. Yeah. Right. So we've made the medium a bit harder. God dear. Now we've got to. We need to start changing all these assembler directives into tests where we can say if. Oh, thank you, mate. Thank you. I don't think we have the torch effect on hard. Yeah, it was Docster's idea. Yeah, we haven't got the torch effect on... Oops. Straight away. Turn around. Yeah, we don't have the torch. Oh, oh, what am I doing? Oh dear. East. Yeah. We don't have the torch effect on the hard because we've only got the window. And if you think about it, the torch effect would be lighting up that bit, lighting up that bit, and lighting up that bit. So we're almost lighting the mini maze up anyway. So I'm not sure that that would benefit in us anyway. And let's just make sure easy's still working. Seems we've been messing around with it. Whoops. Oh, it's a lot easier when you can see where you're going. And that's a dead end. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, moving away from it. You better not be a dead end. Oh, you're joking me. Oh, no. That is a rewind all the way back. So we need to go this way. We're gonna see you later, mate. We'll have to write a routine to solve the puzzle. We'll have to. I'm going this way. We'll have to write a routine to solve the puzzle, I think. So once it's done it, there we go. Once it's done it, we need to be able to solve. No caps. Is there no caps? Don't know, mate. No, so there isn't. Yeah. Has it? Oh, chat window's wiped. Oh, right, okay. Just went blank. Yeah. I'll have a look. I'll have a look. See if there is see if there's caps there for me. Yeah. I'll have a look and see if there is. Yeah. Hang on. I don't know why the chat went... I don't know why the chat went funny. Where's the merch store? Oh, there it is. Aha! Here we go. Create a new item. Okay. Clothing. Headwear, that's it. Here we go. Right, I'll have to have a look to see if they are... I'll have to have a look, see if I'm allowed to have them, yeah? You love the Neptune Lander t-shirt. Looks like there's 3 paths to complete the maze. Is there? Oh, okay. We'll have to write the routine to figure it out. Yeah, that can be another stream, couldn't it? To write the routine to figure it out. Then at least in easy mode, we give them the chance to do it. So we haven't broken anything, even though we've added all this new stuff in there. So what I'm going to say is, in the next stream, we'll add the difficulty menu and try and take out all the assembler directives and make it work in code. So, you know, depending on what they've picked, we would do. So if they pick hard mode, that might take a while. Yes. Yeah. So the solving of the maze might take a while. Yes, yes. I'm just wondering if I'm just wondering if we could do the same as when we create it, is record where we've been, and then go. If we hit a dead end, we trace back. Because we're effectively solving the maze anyway, doing this. Because we have to do the trace back. Yeah? But we'd start there and go forward. And then trace back and then try there. And just have a rule, which could be the left-hand side rule, if you think about it. Or as Andy put, Batman was 331 or something. 331. Yeah. But the problem is it worth doing it? Having the solution. Right, so what we're going to do is, on the next stream, we're going to combine all the 3 modes into one. Yeah? So, when we spark up the game, the users ask the question. No, I don't think we need the solution. Thinking about it, you know, on easy mode you can see the entire map, so you get lost like I did. On medium, that's part of the charm. You see part of the map, you get you. But even on hard mode, you know, we have the full map. So we could do the full map on easy mode, not easy mode, medium mode, where you see the entire map, and then we drop back into the thing. We'll have to think. We'll have to think on it. Yeah. Warmer, warmer, colder, colder. Now there's an idea. There's an idea. We'd have to, yeah. Yeah, there's a definite, yeah. Right, so it's getting late here. So we've implemented a torch in medium mode. We've implemented the disappearing trail in medium mode. We've sorted out the massive CPU grab of that routine that was taking so much CPU time it was impossible making it flicker and flash. So in the next stream we will put a menu screen up, easy, medium, hard. The user can pick whichever one and it takes them straight into whichever mode. Oh, well, yeah, auto switch into easier mode if it takes too long. Yeah, I suppose we could do that. So guys, well, thank you very much for joining me. And Docster, thank you for being very generous on this stream, as you was on Wednesday. Thank you very much. And we will reconvene. We will reconvene on Wednesday if Nico is okay. I'll let you know Wednesday how his progress is doing. So thank you very much. Ah, yes, mate. Thank you, Mr. WauloK, for giving some bits. Yeah, he's a bit subdued, so I'm hoping that the new meds will level out. And but thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you. No problem. All right then, and I'll see you next stream. All right, take care, guys. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.